Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on Pound USD guys. Last week guys we were buying this and we were bullish. On Monday we had a bullish move and a correction and again a bullish move. So guys, the question remains, what are we going to do this week guys? Guys, as long as we are above 1.35844 guys, I'm bullish. And my first target guys would be 1.37125. And guys, my next target would be 1.38458. Okay guys, I would only truly start selling this if the price breaks below 1.35 and 198, and guys, my target would be 1.33605. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys next week.